about it for this series of What's That Noise. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, all the performances that you've seen have been absolutely live. And if you don't already play an instrument, well, maybe you should give it a try. Hopefully I proved it's not as difficult as it may seem. See you next year.